I'm going to show you how to create assignments, pages, and modules in Canvas, a tool called a rich content editor, and that's in every assignment or page that you create in Canvas. I'm going to first go to assignments. And to create an assignment, you go to the yellow button at the top of the assignments page, and it's going to ask you to name the assignment. So I'm going to list one of my favorite singers. Okay, and this is the stimulus or the instructions in the assignment. Here's an audio file of Tim McMorris. Write a sentence describing your reaction and embed an audio file like his. So for this type of assignment, you would give the points. You would designate what kind of assignment you want. It would be an online submission, and it would be a text entry. And then you would, of course, go down and press save and publish. But before I do that, I have to embed the audio file. And at this point, I'm going to go to record upload media. This is the button in the rich content editor that has this feature. You would go to, you can actually record media or you can upload it. And I'm going to select an audio file from my computer, and it will embed into the assignment page. So the student can actually listen to the audio file and then respond to the stimulus. So now that I've embedded this, I can even embed an image. We'll embed it right here. So you would go to embed image, and you would need to upload the image to Canvas. Upload file, and let's see, jellyfish. You press update, and it includes an image in the rich content editor, or in the assignment stimulus. This is an insert media button where you would embed URLs, links to pages, and give different dimension sizes. So you can upload video and audio files as well as image files from the embed image tool. Now I would go down to save and publish, and now I'm going to go to home and go to student view. This gives me the view of the student. So I go to assignments, and I would go down to the assignment that I created, and I can go to submit assignment. Here are the instructions. I can play the music, and I can see the images, and then I would go to submit assignment, and the student will see the tab text entry, and this is where they would respond. And then I would respond with my own audio file, which would be this, the record upload media file. I would go to upload media, select my audio file from the computer. Now this is the student, and now they would have a response audio file that they have put in, that they're going to submit, and then they would press submit assignment. Now you can see that if you set the settings right, they can resubmit the assignment if they want to, if they come up with a better song they want to upload and respond with. Now I'm going to leave the student view, and I'm in teacher view. Now I want to grade this assignment now. So I go to speed grader, which is on the right. I see the student response, and I see the song, or I can hear the song. So this is valuable, and that's why I told you to use text entry instead of file upload, because they can respond with a text response in with their media response, and you can see it all at once in SpeedGrader. So I'm going to leave SpeedGrader, go back to the assignment that I created, and you can see in the edit how I'm editing it. Down here, like I said, to use text entry instead of file uploads or media recordings, simply because you can get a text and media response in the same page when you're using SpeedGrader. So that's what I recommend for art visuals if you want text responses in an assignment. Now in discussions, you can also use the rich text editor like this in discussions as well. And you can upload videos, you can upload images. wherever this rich content editor is, you can do these tools. You can use these tools. First of all, what I like to do is to go to modules when I'm creating something in Canvas and create a module. I label the module and then add the module. The module will end up at the bottom. You can move it by dragging it up. And now in your module, this plus button indicates that you can add pages of various kinds. I can add an assignment, I can add a quiz, a file, upload, or a page, a discussion, and various other things in your modules. So let's do a page. I'm going to tell Canvas it's a new page. It's not one of the pages I've created already, and I'm going to label it Tim McMorris. Now, if I want to indent it, I can by one level, and then add item. You click on add item, and here you have the page. Now, I'm going to go into my page, actually, and this indicates that you can publish it. So even though there's nothing in the page, I'm going to publish it anyway. Go into the page, and here you press edit on the right-hand side. And this is where I can add any media, any text that I want in here. And because it's a page, there are fewer tools down at the bottom. There are fewer settings down at the bottom. Only teachers, you can have a page where students can edit if you want it, if you want to do some kind of wiki, or just teachers. Anyone would be for if you have TAs in the class or other participants in the class using different roles. So let's stick with only teacher. And then, let's see, there should be a save, yeah. There's the save button down at the bottom. So now I've created a page in my module. So I'm going to go back to my modules. And here is my module with the page in it.